Hello guys, welcome to another video. Nano Banana Pro just came out. It is wild. It is a very good model. So in this video, we're going to show you how to test it for free. So there are a few ways to test it. The official ways, go to aistudio.co.com so you can try it out, but it is a paid version, so you have to pay Google to test it. There are two good ways to test this for free, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So that being said, let's get started. So the first one is Higgsfield.ai. So if you have not registered an account on Higgsfield.ai, feel free to register it. You will get some free credits. Then you can test this new Nano Banana Pro model. So if you logged in, you can just click image, select Nano Banana Pro, and then you can go to this page. And then in here at the bottom of this page, you can click the Nano Banana Pro if it's not selected. So select the dimensions and also the quality of the image, and you can start typing a prompt. Then after everything's ready, then click generate. It will take probably 2 credits. It will give you probably 10 credits for the free plan, but you can also just try it out. It's very simple. So that being said, let's continue. So these are the images that I tried using the Nano Banana Pro. You can see the image has really good quality. So if you double click the image, for example, you can edit the image. And you can see that the first image has prompt, how to tie a tie. So once you actually enter the prompt, you can actually generate this image. So with a very simple prompt, you can generate a tutorial to show users how to tie a tie, which is awesome. And let's go to the other image. So the second image I tried is to generate a spaceship. Let's click that again. You can see that the prompt is spaceship on the moon. So and then it generated a very nice and high quality spaceship on the moon. So let's take a look at the other one. So this is to show users how to do the Taekwondo, so the correct bowing procedure. So it actually has 3 sub images, and this is how to do it. It's very detailed, it's very clean and good quality. So another good example of using Nano Banana is to create a educational graph. For example, this specific prompt shows a flowchart for how to toast spread. So make it as wacky and over the top and complicated as possible. So you can see this is a very funny and also educational toast bread image. It's very good. Let's go to the next one. So here's another example. So this image is actually a selfie for about 10 celebrities. It's pretty random, so you can just generate a very good high quality selfie image like that. So another one is to create a transformer. So let's click on this one. You can see that this is basically a photorealistic, diagnostic, transparent view of a giant autonomous transformer robot. Sleek, metallic, blue, and silver with red accents. So it generated a very high quality transformer. So it's very nice. And the next example is very useful. So this is actually a really useful example. So this example is to show you how to compress a scientific paper to a diagram. So how awesome is that? For example, this is actually a DeepSeek R1 paper. So this came out about probably a year ago. So it's a very detailed report how DeepSeek R1 was constructed. If you actually enter the prompt to show the paper, for example, this is the paper prompt. It's a very long prompt, and all you have to do is copy and paste the paper and prompt it to take this paper and transform it the image of Professor Whiteboard image, diagrams, arrows, boxes, and captions. Experiment the core idea visually. Use colors as well. So it will compress the paper to a workflow diagram. So which is super awesome. And this is very useful if you actually want to present a paper. So next example would be to create a cartoon film. So for example, I created three images of a cartoon film. So the first thing to create a cartoon film is to create a story, so a storyline. So to tell the image generator what is the story. So it will create different images inside a large image, and then for each sub image, you'll basically create a scene for that story. Basically, we want the Nano Banana Pro to create a image for Banana Galaxy Adventure. And here are the scenes and descriptions. So it created a 8-image story. So I will show the video for this image a little bit, but let's go through another example first. This image, we used a prompt to create a 5 photos of an animation story that shows a brave girl is taking an adventure to find treasured land. So that's the storyline. And then it created a 6 images, not 5 images, but it actually created a 6 images story. So for each image, it created a scene for this story. And let's take a look at the video that was generated for all these different types of use cases. So let's click the video. If you have not tried videos, just go to the navigation and click video and pick a video model. In this case, we'll use the Sora2 Pro. So you can click Sora and you will actually go to the video page, and then you can pick a model. In this case, we have Sora2 Pro, and which image you will pick is basically the image that you clicked on the image generator page. So you can pick an image and hover over the image and click animate. You can see there's a video option. You can click the video. It will bring you to this video page. So then you can start prompt and start generate the video. So you can see all these different videos we generated through the images. So let's play it.
Start with the tie around your neck, wide end longer than the narrow. Cross the wide end over, bring it up through the neck loop, down behind, and wrap across the front. Up through the loop once more and down through the front of the knot. Pull to tighten, then slide the knot up to your collar.
Copy, Lander. Proceed with surface checks.
Running diagnostics now. Pressure stable, 0 wind, surface temp -154, radio.
Initiating full system sweep. Stand by. Rotational scan engaged. 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360. Energy flow stable. Structural integrity optimal. Condition check complete. Initiating.
Whoa, a banana spaceship!
Buckle up, Nana. Let's blast off.
Rainbow acorn ready!
Ever since I first saw that old map, I knew I had to find the treasure land. The road was long and the bridges were high, but my compass kept me true. Through forests and canyons, I followed the signs.
Okay, so you can see that all the videos are fantastic. And so this is how you actually can use Nano Banana Pro and Sora2 Pro and maybe other video generators to create awesome films. And it's fast. So, that being said, hopefully this is helpful. And if you want to try it out, there's another way besides the Higgsfield AI, and that is for Love Art. So Love Art also have an Wonder credit for you. If you have not registered, just go ahead and register. You'll have a daily Wonder credit, and the Nano Banana Pro is currently offered for free. So you can see that I generated a few test cases, and you can see that we didn't actually lose any credit. But there's a little bit difference between these Nano Banana on Love Art and the ones on Higgsfield. So Higgsfield is very original. So basically it's a Nano Banana Pro original model, you can just test it against the model. But LabR is an agentic platform. So it's basically a agent that actually calls a model, and there's a lot of reasoning going back and forth, and then it generates the image. For example, how to tie a tie. The same prompt, you will create a different type of image. You can see this is a little bit animated and cartoon style image, not the realistic image. You can see this is very realistic, but the LabR version is more like animated and cartoon style. So that's the difference. Feel free to try that out as well. But I think if you want to really try the original Nano Banana Pro, then go to the Higgsfield. It is also free. You can definitely give it a try, and it won't take 2 credits. So, and hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.